Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So it's been fun and games in the store and online. We're selling heaps, which is causing just a little bit of an issue. We're actually running low on some stock. Now, no, don't panic. It's not a major problem or anything along those sort of things, but it does mean that you may see limited stocks on our website, and you may also find that when you phone in or when you drop in the store, the guys say, look, we can supply that, but delivery won't be till next week because our deliveries have been delayed because of the 2 public holidays later this week. So just a bit of a heads up, just to give you some pre-warning, you can absolutely make a pre-order for any of the, the basics, the Perth Mint kilo bars in silver, the Perth Mint 1 ounce bars, all those types of things. We've got them all arriving theoretically later this week, but we all know with the public holidays, that's not going to be till next week. So if you're still chasing it, you want to lock in today's price, that's no worries at all. 1300 84 84 10. Email sales@bullionnow.com.au or level 6 227 Collins Street. If you're coming in Melbourne, we'll absolutely be able to lock in your order. You just might find a couple of days, you're waiting a couple of days before it's in your hot little hand. That's all, just thought I'd give you a quick update. We'll talk again soon. See ya.